As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing the ChuMaste 3-burner propane grill, B0 CFR2 CZP9, and the Coleman RoadTrip 285 B0 BGZ TLS 4S. First impressions?
Well, the ChuMaste is definitely bigger. It's got a cooking surface of 464.8 square inches compared to the Coleman's 285. So if you're grilling for a crowd, ChuMaste seems like the better bet.
True, but the Coleman is all about portability, right? It's got those quick fold legs and wheels. The ChuMaste, while it has wheels, weighs a hefty 51.9 pounds. Not exactly chuck-in-the-trunk material.
Yeah, portability is the Coleman's strong suit. Plus, it comes with a hose and adapter for a 20-pound propane tank. The ChuMaste just mentions using propane, no adapter included.
Good point. And the Coleman has InstaStart push-button ignition. Does the ChuMaste have anything similar?
The description doesn't explicitly say, so I'm guessing it's a standard lighter situation. The Coleman also boasts more precise temperature control.
Okay, so Coleman wins on convenience and portability. What about power? They both have 3 burners.
The ChuMaste cranks out 30,000 BTUs, while the Coleman offers up to 20,000, so ChuMaste has more raw power. It could heat up faster, maybe give you better searing.
What about build quality? The customer reviews for the ChuMaste mention some issues with bent pieces and thin materials.
I saw that. The Coleman reviews are generally positive about assembly and cooking. The ChuMaste reviews are more mixed, some saying it's easy to assemble, others not so much.
Price-wise, the ChuMaste is about $169 when it's in stock. The Coleman is currently unavailable, which makes it hard to compare.
True. Availability is a big factor, but overall, it seems like the ChuMaste is a good option for home use if you want a larger cooking surface and more power, and if you don't mind potentially wrestling with assembly and build quality. The Coleman is better if you need something truly portable and easy to use, if you can find one in stock.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.